Of course we Koreans do weird to pizza. What did you expect? I'll just show you. And I am going to skip the dough. Look, the art of making pizza dough is refined art that my 20-something hands aren't even gonna pretend they're decent at. Pizza artistry is not why you're here. You're here to be guffawed and offended, so Whole Foods pizza dough, screw it. And for the sauce, I'll just open a can of decent crushed tomatoes, add a little salt and oil, and that's it. But the toppings, oh, the toppings. Because so far, so normal, eh? Good, because now we're gonna take a sweet potato. A goddamn sweet potato. Peeled, diced, and boiled. And, of course, crushed, creamed, and sweetened with honey. Yes, this is a sweet potato mousse, and no, we're not making a Thanksgiving casserole. Stay with me. Because we're gonna get a pound of ground beef and make some bulgogi. That's right, brown your beef, add half a diced white onion, and a tablespoon of minced garlic, and deglaze with a couple of tablespoons of soy sauce, cooking wine, sugar, and sesame oil. And of course, this stuff is not just good on pizza, it's good on rice, tacos, bread rolls, literally anything. And now the tamer toppings. A few strands of streaky bacon, an Anaheim pepper, and you can't see it, but also a handful of frozen sweet corn because, yeah, not a lot to do there. We're ready. Roll out your dough and do a better job than I did. And you know what? We've come this far. I'll put some cheese sticks around the edges and pull the dough over them. Yes, this is how you get those cheese stuffed crusts. Take a spoonful of sauce, spread it out evenly, dump an unreasonable amount of cheese, put the toppings on, make sure they're all even, and finally get that sweet potato mousse and just squeeze and drizzle. I call this piece should have gotten a piping bag. Heat the oven as high as possible with a preheated pizza stone. Pizza in, 10 minutes. Hot oven, voila! You can drizzle some aioli on top of that, but tell me that does not look good.